Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. I just want to show you how to frog fuzzy yarn, in this case Picasso. See how it all gets tangled up? I'll show you some tips and tricks on how to frog it out or rip out your stitches. Today's Tip Tuesday is all about how to frog yarn that has a bit of a fuzz to it that gets tangled up. It can really be frustrating, but I'm going to show you this tip or trick that I use to help frog it back, and I have frogged 4 entire balls of this basically without a problem. So let me show you what I do. So I just use a big fat needle or a crochet hook. Even I can use a crochet hook, whatever I was using for the yarn, just to hold my stitches up. What happens is when we're frogging, we end up pulling, see how we're pulling all that yarn down? We don't want to be pulling it down. So a couple stitches back, I'm just going to put my crochet hook right into that stitch that I already made. And if you pull now, you can see how you're holding your stitches up. It comes out a lot easier. I don't know why, but it works a treat. See, we don't even have to go and untangle anything. So just keep working along, put your hook in, or a needle if you have a needle handy, hold it up, and just pull against your hook. And then you can frog it back like a dream. Yeah, oh, there it gets tangled. But you just pull your hook, and it'll snap out, just like that. So just keep going, putting your hook a couple stitches back. You can get as far away as maybe 5 stitches. See how it goes for you? If it's super fuzzy, just go into the very next stitch. Just do like every other stitch to frog it out. Occasionally it gets tangled, but it helps a lot. You can even just poke up that stitch, and that might help you too. I'm also using it on a table, so I have it laying down flat and I'm pushing my hook onto the table to frog it and wiggling my hook forward and my yarn back. And you'll find your own way of doing it, but holding up your stitches with a hook really helps. It helps more than pinching it with your fingers. I think if you hold it with your fingers, you can actually make those fibers more entangled than they actually are. Just hold up that stitch. So let me know if it works for you in the comments down below, and what's the craziest yarn you've ever frogged, or the craziest project you ever frogged, in the comments down below. And thanks so much for inviting me over. Of course it's tangled up right when I'm trying to say goodbye. Stay hooked.